Hey guys, Disney Collector here with the Hungry Hippos playset from Play-Doh. Let's see what we have in this box. The Hungry Hippo, a playmat with lots of hungry hippos. One fish mold, orange Play-Doh, pink and black Play-Doh. Here's our hungry hippo. His eyes are paper stickers, but he's all made of plastic. On top of our hippo's back, there's a bird mold. Let's try it with yellow Play-Doh. This is a cute little bird. With this mold, we can actually make 2 fishes at a time. Let's make them pink. Remove the excess. And now we just have to give them eyes. We can make a lot of fishes using a lot of different colors, like orange, green, purple, and as many other colors you like. The lake is full of fish, and the hungry hippo is really hungry. Oh no, he's going to eat Nemo. This hungry hippo ate all the little fishes of the lake. What else can he eat now? Oh no, he's trying to eat the cars. Cars are so good. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more Play-Doh right here on Disney Collector.